This approach helps with chemistry word problems by organizing complex descriptions into clear, step-by-step actions so you can identify what is given, what is asked, and which equations to use. Think of a chemistry word problem like a puzzle, where you first pick out the important pieces, the amounts, the substances, and the conditions. Next, decide what the question is asking for and which formulas or ideas apply, such as conservation of mass, mole concept, or concentration calculations. Then convert all quantities into the same units and use the chosen equations to solve for the unknown, working one step at a time. Finally, check your answer by plugging values back in or estimating whether the result makes sense compared to the starting information. A common mistake is skipping unit conversion and getting an answer that looks wrong because the units do not match. So always write units with numbers and convert before calculating. Another frequent error is misreading what is asked and solving for the wrong quantity. So underline or restate the question in your own words before starting. Students sometimes try to memorize steps without understanding why each step matters, which leads to confusion when problems change. So take a moment to connect each step to the underlying chemical idea. For more videos and resources that walk through word problems step by step, check out www.gumballdegree.com.